The case *** Satyam Infoway Limited. V. Safinet Solutions Private. Limited. Air 2004 SC 3540 is a significant judgment by the Supreme Court of India addressing trademark protection in the context of domain names and the concept of passing off in the digital era. Key details. Citation * Air 2004 SC 3540. 2004, 6 SCC 145 Court *, Supreme Court of India Bench *, Justices Ruma Pal and P. Venkatarama Reddy. Date of judgment * 2004. Background. Parties involved * Appellant * Satyam Infoway Limited. A company offering internet and IT services under the domain name Safi.com, derived from its trade name, Satyam Infoway. Respondent * Safinet Solutions Private. Limited. A company that registered and used the domain name Safinet.com for similar services. Satyam Infoway had registered the domain name Safi.com in 1999 and built a significant reputation in India for its internet and e-commerce services under the Safi mark. Safinet Solutions registered the domain name Safinet.com in 2001 and started offering similar services, leading to a dispute over the similarity of the domain names. Issues. 1. Whether domain names can be protected as trademarks under Indian law. 2. Whether the use of a deceptively similar domain name, Safinet.com, constitutes passing off. 3. Whether Satyam Infoway could claim protection for its domain name, Safi.com, based on prior use and reputation. Findings and decision. Domain names as trademarks *. The Supreme Court held that domain names can function as trademarks, as they serve as source identifiers for businesses in the digital space, similar to traditional trademarks. A domain name, when used as a business identifier, can acquire goodwill and reputation, making it eligible for protection under trademark law principles. Passing off *. The court applied the classic trinity of passing off, goodwill, reputation, misrepresentation and ** damage. Satyam Infoway established that Safi had acquired a significant reputation and goodwill in India due to its extensive use since 1999. The domain name Safinet.com was found to be deceptively similar to Safi.com, likely to cause confusion among consumers, as both companies operated in the same field, internet and IT services. The use of Safinet.com could mislead customers into believing that Safinet Solutions was associated with Satyam Infoway, thereby constituting passing off. Injunction *. The Supreme Court upheld the interim injunction granted by the trial court, restraining Safinet Solutions from using the domain name Safinet.com or any other deceptively similar name. The court noted that the balance of convenience favored Satyam Infoway, as it had prior use and an established reputation, while Safinet Solutions' use could cause irreparable harm. Legal principles established. 1. Domain names as intellectual property *. Domain names can be protected under trademark law if they have acquired distinctiveness and goodwill as business identifiers. 2. Passing off in the digital context *. The principles of passing off apply to domain name disputes, and a deceptively similar domain name can be restrained if it misleads consumers or dilutes the goodwill of the original mark. 3. Reputation and prior use *. Prior use and established reputation are critical in determining the rightful claimant in domain name disputes. 4. Consumer confusion *. The likelihood of confusion in the minds of internet users is a key factor in assessing passing off in domain name cases. Significance. This was one of the earliest Indian cases to address trademark protection for domain names, recognizing the growing importance of the internet in commerce. It extended the traditional principles of trademark law and passing off to the digital realm, setting a precedent for future domain name disputes. The case emphasized the need to protect businesses from cybersquatting and unfair competition in the online space. It influenced subsequent domain name disputes in India and aligned Indian law with international practices in protecting digital intellectual property. Note: for a detailed analysis or specific excerpts from the judgment, you may refer to the full text on legal databases like SCC Online, Manupatra, or Indian Qanun. If you have specific questions about the case or need further details, please let me know.